Hello and welcome back to Not a Proper Classic. Today we're going to try and fit the radio from this into Big Willy just to see whether it's actually working. My wiring I did. I might have to try and put you down while I juggle that out because I know that's not in fully, so give me a second and I'll be back with you in a minute. There we go, so I managed to wedge it out with my key. There we go, that's my little radio, there's all the wiring. So I need to disconnect the aerial and disconnect the multi-universal adapters. I've not really looked in there before. Fun. I need to find the wiring for that speaker because it's disconnected and that wasn't working, but another day. So yeah, disconnect this and then I'll jump into Big Willy and see where we're up to. Cue car change. Right, so we're in Big Willy. There's all the wiring that I've reattached. That's the CD player I got off Facebook Marketplace that may or may not work. That's the original. That doesn't work. So I've got these adapters, which will then plug on there. These should go in the back of here. And I'll put the ignition on and see whether we've got a working radio. So can I set you up so you can see what's going on? Give me a second. I think that's working. I'll find out when I'm looking back whether this has worked or not. But let's connect. That one's in. And then that one's in. Got my aerial connector, which is one that will seemingly go on this side. Ooh, progress. Right, which side's which? So one thing. So that's got to be the lower one. Oh, that's got to be the top one. If this works, I will be so happy. Oh, we have lights. We have lights. Ignition. Turn the fans off. Ah, we had lights. So it might be my wiring that's a bit rubbish. That's on, that's on. That one's in. You saw that. You did see that, didn't you? That there was power briefly getting through. All right, let me come back to that. I'll have a little look and play with the wiring and see if I can get it to work. But there's hope that the other CD player might not be utter garbage. So I think I've worked out that the wiring's obviously got a loose connection somewhere because it briefly, I think as you saw, gets power and then it goes off. So my wiring in there is not very good. So I might get someone who knows what they're doing to have a look at that. I will just test that radio though to see whether that works in mine, because if it does, then brilliant. Then we can just get the wiring sorted, get that in, somehow tidy up that all in there and make all of that look nice, and then Big Willy will have a radio. So let's swap back to the Merc and pop that in and see where we're up to. And car change. And we're back in the murk. So let's try and stand you up. Is that going to work? I can use my old radio as a chock, can't I? There we go. So, right, connectors. That one's you. And that one's you. No, it looks like that is a dead radio. There goes my butler. That's annoying, but at least I know if that's dead. So I'll get one that's new and is working. Yeah, I think that concludes this for today. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on whatever I'm doing next time. Cheers, guys.